largest crowd ever. How many guests do we have here celebrating Groundhog Day for the very first time? Woo! Cross that off your bucket list. How many guests do we have that have been here 2 or more times? Woo! Welcome back. We love you coming. How many groups do we have celebrating a birthday? Happy birthday. Now I want to get this started off with a groundhog call from Rob McCoy, Downpour. He's going to say groundhog, and you're going to reply back, groundhog, but better than that. Hey guys! I see you're still here. All right, we know the drill. You ready? Are you ready? Yeah! Let's do one more time. Groundhog. Awesome, guys, awesome. Well done, thanks, Rob. Dan McGinley, Moonshine. Dan, will you please introduce the members of the Inner Circle?
Gladly. Happy Groundhog Day once again. Everybody in? I want to acknowledge some people standing on this stage before we get to the Inner Circle, some dignitaries here. First of all, the Governor of Pennsylvania. Please say good morning to Governor Josh Shapiro. He keeps coming and we keep welcoming him. Thank you. Also, Secretary Rick Seiger, Deputy Secretary of Tourism Ann Ryan, Congressman G.T. Thompson, Senator Joe Pittman, Representative Brian Smith, and of course our Jefferson County Commissioners. Thank you. And now, for the gentleman tasked with hosting this holiday, I want to acknowledge the Punxsutawney Groundhog Club Inner Circle. Former President, Fairweatherman Jeff Lundy. Pat Osakowitz is Ozone. Pat Cassidy, Head Huntsman. Jay Lundy is Overcast. Jason Grusky, he's been here all morning. Say hello to the Big Chill. John Johnson, Chief Health Man. Robbie Gimmel is Storm Builder. Give it up for Jory Siri and the Daybreaker. Josh Farkas is Frostbite.
Yeah.
He just regaled you. Please say hello to Rob McCoy. That's Downpour. Butch Phillimer, Iceman. And this guy has been with you all morning, and I just want to say, no one loves Groundhog Day more than Dr. Dave Gelati, Thunder Conductor.
All right, are we ready?
And now, tasked with our ceremony, our friend, your friend, his handler. This is August Aroom, Rainmaker. the only man who can speak Groundhogese, the current president of the Groundhog Club Inner Circle, that's Tom Dunkel, Shingle Shaker.
It's time. I want to talk about this cane. This cane is handed down from president to president and gives me the ability to understand films in Groundhogese through winks, nods, chirps, purrs. I'll be able to understand Phil and know which scroll to choose. Now I'm going to talk about what's going to happen up here. I'm going to take this cane and will knock 3 times on the burrow doors. He will then be lifted by his handler, A.J. Daroon, and held high for all to see. He will then place Phil upon the stump, where Phil and I will have a little talk about whether he sees his shadow or not. If it's his shadow he sees, 6 more weeks of winter there will be. No shadow and early spring. So Phil will then let me know which scroll, and it will be read by our Vice President, Dan McGinley. Gentlemen, are we ready?
Yes!
Daybreaker, please place the royal red carpet upon the stump. Moonshine, place the scrolls. Gentlemen, gather around. It's a tradition to get Phil fired up by chanting, Phil, 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 Phil.
Do it again, Mayor. Bill. It's like
It's actually not that deep. It's really small. And I have to like pull out.
It's Punxsutawney Phil! Phil's made a choice.
Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye! Now on this February 2nd, Punxsutawney Phil, the seer of seers, the prognosticator of all prognosticators, was awakened from his wintry nap at dawn on Gobbler's Knob. Phil looked to the skies and then, speaking in Groundhogese, directed the president to the proper scroll, which reads, What a way to start a Sunday fun day. You always said you'd make it here one day. To this place barely big enough to contain ya. To this sweet Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. We're all here with the elements combined, where Mother Nature meets Father Time. To hear the truth, are those gray skies? Only I know you can't trust AI. It's Groundhog Day, and maybe life is on a loop. But I miss my burrow, I miss my coop. So I'm headed back down. There's a shadow up here. Get ready